Okay, Joe, we are back. Tell us what we do today. Right now we are getting posts. No, boards. Pressure treater too. Wow. That's like we got 8 of it and it's cost like $90. Look at him. That's broke. So much material here. Look at there in the hill of houses. I like that. Let's see there. No, Joe. Oh, why are you getting so cold?
Get chill.
And now we have another stop to Tractor Supplies for the gates. For the gate and another metal post.
You're the real star.
Oh, Joe, shut up. Don't make fun. And those are more expensive because they're pressure treated.
Yeah.
That's why. I need another 10 for the gardens, but way wider. You need 2 more.